Hi guys, I'm going to explain you my 7th experiment in web technology lab on super global variables using PHP. So in this website, I'll be creating a simple shopping cart. So this is my first page. First of all, I'll be creating a form for as method is equal to post, and when the user clicks the button, it will go to page2.php. Then I have considered the whole page as a div page, and this is the name of my header, and I have given 2 checkboxes. You can see here for casual shoes and formal shoes. I have given radio buttons for either selecting this shoe or this shoe, and I've created these shoes using the table tag. This is my table tag, and I have two rows and 2 columns. This is the first row, and this is my second row. So in this first row, I'll be having 2 columns. This is my first column, and this my second column, in which I have embedded my image. Similarly, the second row, I put my text as having included my style as text aligned to the left. As you can see, it is aligned to the left of this table. So after that, I've used a select tag for quantity and size and color, which I'll be using the option for picking up my 1 or 2 or the number of times. For selecting the size also, I'll be using my options. Similarly for color also. And after that, I click my submit button. That is the next value. That is next. It clicks on the next, and as I've mentioned here, its post value is method. Method is equal to post, and on action is equal to page2.php. So it will directly go to page2.php. So let's move on to page 2. So this is my second page. So I'll be giving my name as okay. So these are the data that I have entered here. Let's move on to the code. This is page2.php file. So in this code, I have included a session. Session means is used for information interchange, that it keeps tracking on users' data. So I've started the session using session start, and if the user clicks the submit button, show that if checks by if is set of post of submit. If the user clicks the submit button, it goes to this next if statement for using for each loop, retrieving the information, that extracting the information from this post method to as this variable, and this is the name of my session, that is check, and this is the name of this value. So I'll be storing each of these post values into this session, that is the name of the session, and this is its value. And $post, this is a super variable in which I'll be extracting all my information, so that I'll be getting the value which will be stored in this name of my session. Then this is the div tag, and these are all my form elements which I've entered my data. Like I have my first name, the last name as input text, and street name again, and input text, and this one I have my type as TL. Phone also I used EL, and email, and for radio button I've used both my type and name should be same, and along also for checkbox my type and name should be same. You can change the value. And finally the submit button. So when the user clicks the submit button, since the method is post and action, it goes to page3.php. So I go for shipping express, then next. So this is a summary of the page. summary of what I have ordered. So let's go on for the code. This is page3.php. I have started the session. So this is my PHP code in which I'll be extracting the information and I get the value. In that value I'll be storing in this session. Here also I've created the form tag in which the user clicks the submit button, it will go page4.php. So this is the order summary page in which I will be printing my first name, last name, all the details. Here also I've used a table instead of div. You can also do it by div. For div you need to do some CSS codes, so I rather prefer for table. So in this I have 2-3 rows, and each row I have 2-3 columns. So this is my name of my columns, item, quantity and amount, and I will be displaying through echo statement as $session of this name. So for printing you can only give $session, and this is the name of my session. It will automatically prints the value of that session. Similarly for this column also. Finally the user clicks the submit button and goes to page4.php. Finally I can destroy the session through session destroy. So this page4.php shows that thank you for shopping. Like if I click on confirm order, shows thank you for shopping. So this was my 7th experiment. Thank you for watching my video.